Delving into the intricate dance of trust and emotional vulnerability in relationships, we embark on a journey through the nuanced terrain of the human heart. From the scars of past betrayals to the resilience found in facing one's demons, we explore the intricacies of trust through the lens of individual stories and collective wisdom. Join me as we navigate the labyrinth of love, discovering the transformative power of facing our deepest fears and embracing the path to emotional wholeness. 1. He hasn't faced his issues head-on. Confronting personal challenges head-on is essential for fostering emotional intimacy in a relationship, especially when it comes to trust issues for men. According to my mentor, trust forms the bedrock of love, making it a critical hurdle for those grappling with trust deficits. The repercussions of unresolved trust issues prompt some men to actively address them, whether through camaraderie with peers, therapy sessions, self-help literature, or engaging with a supportive partner during the journey to resolution. While it might appear prudent for women to seek partners devoid of such issues, the pervasive nature of trust struggles among men underscores the importance of navigating these complexities with understanding and patience. 2. He never learned how to trust. Decades of working with men and counseling them via Skype have revealed a common thread. Many struggle with trust, often stemming from childhood experiences. During this crucial developmental phase, trust should have been instilled by parents, yet for numerous men, it wasn't. Instead, parental interactions often lacked emotional depth beyond anger, failing to serve as adequate role models. Broken promises, unintentional as they may have been, felt like betrayal to many boys, profoundly impacting their capacity to trust. 3. He doesn't want to dredge up his past. A boy's ingrained distrust permeates his relationships with both women and men, impeding his emotional growth until he confronts his inner turmoil. Unfortunately, many men avoid delving into their trust issues, fearing the resurgence of old wounds. While my experience suggests that support from other men is beneficial, it's a paradox. The distrust itself inhibits collaboration. Trust issues ripple through a man's life, hindering deep connections with male friends and fueling perpetual struggles in romantic relationships. Ultimately, these unresolved issues can lead a man down a path of cynicism and isolation, fostering a sense of being unlovable. 4. He doesn't have a support system. Navigating a relationship with a man wrestling with trust issues poses challenges. While the journey to overcome these issues is primarily his, a woman can play a pivotal role by offering unwavering support. This entails patiently providing reassurance in moments of insecurity, whether through comforting gestures or verbal affirmations of love. However, it's crucial for her to maintain boundaries and understand that she can't shoulder his trust issues herself. Instead, she aids him in his personal growth. What he needs is a partner, not a codependent, someone who stands beside him as he confronts his challenges. 5. He still has unfounded concerns from spilling over from his past. My trust issues trace back to a tumultuous childhood marked by violence and abuse. Raised by a father who epitomized untrustworthiness and a mother who echoed his sentiments, I carried these scars into my relationships. Overcoming these deep-seated issues required arduous self-work. While I've made strides in opening up, the specter of trust still occasionally looms. During such moments, I turn to my partner, seeking reassurance. Her gentle response, teasingly questioning if I'm fishing, reminds me of the unfounded nature of my concerns. Reflecting on the countless men I've encountered, it's evident that my struggles with trust are far from unique. 6. He was betrayed by a woman before you. Betrayal by a woman can inflict lasting wounds, causing a man to close himself off emotionally and resist trusting again. Once feelings are shattered by betrayal, the prospect of reliving such pain is daunting. Many men struggle to confront their hurt, allowing it to linger and eventually hinder their emotional vulnerability and honesty. The fear of another heartbreak remains deeply ingrained until it's addressed and resolved. 7. He hasn't yet done his work. I offer individual counseling to men and encourage those who haven't sought therapy to engage in confidential group sessions with other men. Together, they can address the root causes of their trust issues and work towards resolution. Women, too, play a vital role by supporting men in this journey, ultimately enhancing the quality of their relationships. When asked what to look for in a partner, I advise women to seek men actively addressing their issues through therapy, support groups, literature, and problem-solving skills. Effective problem resolution skills are essential for navigating relationship challenges. These abilities are not inherent but cultivated through learning. Just as physical health is prioritized, emotional well-being is equally vital for relationship success. Men grappling with trust issues or other demons are urged to confront them before committing to a relationship. It's only fair to show up as a whole or in the process of healing.